Imagine creating high-quality cartoon animation just like this, without expensive software, without animation skills, for free, and in just a few simple steps. Did you know that kids love watching these types of videos again and again? And the best part, YouTube algorithm automatically pushes them to millions of views. I know this firsthand. My own kids can watch these videos all day without stopping. And here is the exciting part. People are making thousands of dollars every month just by creating these simple videos. By the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start creating viral cartoon videos that can bring in a passive income on YouTube. And the best part, you only need to create one video, then upload it to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for a maximum reach. The first step is writing a story. I know you have heard people say, just ask ChatGPT to create a story for you. And that's not wrong at all. But if you want your story to stand out and go viral, you need to be a little more creative. So pay close attention here. In this video, I'm going to use a highly detailed prompt to make ChatGPT generate the best story possible. One that keeps the characters consistent and makes viewers watch all the way through without stopping. Here is the prompt I'm using. The prompt has 5 small paragraphs, each with an important role. First, I give ChatGPT a general idea of the story I want. I ask it to create a 10-minute long story with 2 paragraphs for each scene, a script, and a detailed description prompt. Second, I describe the main character in great detail, her hair, eyes, clothes, and even the color of her cheeks. You might wonder, why so many details? Just wait, you will understand in a minute. Third, I describe the setting, where the story takes place. Is it in a house, a park, or a school? Or you can choose anything. Fourth, I explain the actions, what I want the main character to do. Should she go to the kitchen, sit in the living room, be in her bedroom, or you can add any ideas you like. Last, I describe the other characters, in this case, the grandparents. Don't worry, this isn't hard at all. Just use your imagination, and whatever comes to mind, you can ask ChatGPT to create it for you. The results will be more amazing than you expect. Yes, it's a bit long, but trust me, the more details you provide, the more engaging and unique your story will be. This is the part where you should invest extra time. The rest is super easy from here. You will be done in just minutes. I will leave the prompt for you in the comments below. Feel free to use it and tweak it to fit your own story. I'm here to help you with your video creation journey. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my easy and free tips. As you can see here, ChatGPT created 5 story scenes, and each one comes with a script and a detailed prompt. You can read through them and edit, add or remove anything to make it match your vision. You can also ask it to add more scenes, create new characters, or change anything you want. It's all up to you. Copy and paste your story into a Google Doc or Word document. Keeping your work organized is a very important step because you will need to go back to it when creating the audio and the pictures. Now the second step is super exciting. We are going to use Pixelman to create the images for our animation. Pixelman is a powerful AI tool that generates high-quality images based on text descriptions. You just type what you want, and it creates stunning, detailed pictures in seconds. Why did I choose Pixelman? I have created many stories before using this tool, and the results were absolutely fantastic. The images turned out exactly how I imagined, making my animations look professional without any design skills. I personally love Pixelman because it's easy to use, super fast, and gives me full control over the style of my characters and scenes. After you log in, click on Create. Then copy and paste your first detailed prompt for your first scene. Press enter and let the AI work its magic. Now look at this amazing picture. See how the characters are clear, detailed, and full of life? That's exactly what I'm talking about. This is the power of using a detailed prompt. It helps you get unique and stunning results every time. Remember when I told you that you'd understand why a detailed prompt is so important for the characters? Well, here is why. Every time you give a prompt to the AI, you need to include the full character description, not just the character's name. For example, if the main character is a girl, instead of simply writing her name in each scene, you should repeat the detailed prompt about her appearance. This way, the AI will keep her look consistent in every scene, making your animation smooth and professional. Now keep following the same steps for all the remaining scenes until you finish them all. Look at these amazing, beautiful images. See how the characters are consistent throughout? This is amazing. These are the results of following simple yet powerful steps that can help you create stunning animations and make you rich very soon. If you look at the top right corner, you will see an option to choose the size of your images. If you are using the images for a YouTube video, make sure to select 16:9 for the aspect ratio. Here, I kept the default size, which is 1:1, but feel free to change the aspect ratio to fit your needs. Just remember to do it at the beginning before you start creating your images. Click on Gallery, select all your pictures, and then download them to your computer. This will make it easy to keep everything organized and ready for the next steps. Next step, go to 11 Lab. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Paste your script, make any changes if needed, then choose your voiceover. Adjust the speed and the settings, and generate your audio. Remember, 11 Labs provides free credits to use. If you run out of credits, you can always create a temporary email on the Temp Mail website and use it to generate more credits. I have explained this method in my previous videos, and I will leave a link at the top if you want to check it out. I'm here to help you with your video creation journey. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my easy and free tips. Once your audio is ready, download it to your computer. The next step is super exciting. This is where the magic happens. We are going to turn the images into motion. For this, we will be using a very advanced AI model website called Helio AI. It's a cutting-edge AI that allows you to animate your images and bring them to life with realistic movements. I've had an amazing results using it, and I'm excited to share it with you all, so you can create incredible animations too. After logging, click on Create Video. On this page, you will see two boxes. The first box is where you can upload your image, and the second box is where you need to insert the image prompt. This is where you describe what you want the image or character to do. This will help the AI know exactly how to animate your image. I'm going to upload the first image for the first scene and give it its simple instruction. I'll type something like, make the girl move and run, and click generate. This will tell the AI what to do, so the character comes to life and moves just like we want. Look at this amazing clip. The little girl is moving, running, and smiling exactly like I wanted. You can even ask the AI to make her move toward her grandfather in the picture, or do anything else you want. You will notice that the image has a watermark because we are using the free version, but don't worry, I will show you an easy and free way to remove the watermark later in this video. We'll keep following the same steps until I finish all the images I have. Now, we need a tool to bring together the clips and the audio, and do some great editing to make the story more attractive and engaging for your audience. For this, I'm going to use my favorite and awesome editing tool, CapCut. First, open CapCut and import all the scenes and the audio. Drag the scenes onto the timeline and make sure they are in the right order. Then, add your audio. Adjust the audio so it matches the clips, making sure the story flows right. To make the story even more fun, add some transitions between scenes. One of the most important things is subtitles. You can add them and choose from different templates to make them look nice. Once you are happy with how it looks, click export and download the video to your computer. Now it's time to make the video clean without the watermark. Go to Google and search for 123 apps. Then click on the first link. Scroll down and click on Remove Logo from Video. Click on Open File, upload your video, then select the watermark and click Apply. In just a few seconds, the watermark will be gone and you can download your clean video. Recap. First, write a story. Use ChatGPT to create a detailed and engaging story. Include detailed description for characters, settings, and actions. Second, create images with Pixelman. Use your detailed prompts to create images for each scene and make sure to adjust the size for your video. 3. Animate images with Helio AI. Upload your images to Helio AI. Give simple instructions for animations. 4. Combine clips and audio with CapCut. Import your images and audio in CapCut. Adjust the clips with the audio. Add transitions and include subtitles for better engagement. 5. Remove watermark. Go to 123 apps, upload your video, and remove the watermark in seconds. 6. Final step. Review your video, export it, and download your clean, polished version. I want to make a quick disclaimer here. All the tools provided in this video offer free credits to generate your videos, which is awesome and helps you start your creation journey without spending a penny. Of course, these tools also offer paid version for more advanced features, but I personally use the free versions and have found great results and wonderful outcomes. I'm here to help you on your own video creation journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you won't miss any tricks or tips. Now, I'll leave you with the final results. Thanks for watching and happy creating!
Lila eagerly ran up the front steps of her grandparents' house as the school bus drove away. The porch was lined with flower pots, and the smell of fresh cookies filled the air. Her grandmother, with gray hair and a bun, in the kitchen. Lila, wearing an apron, stood on a stool, learning how to knead cookie dough. Flour dusted her hair as her grandmother guided her hands gently. The cookies were ready after a full tummy of cookies. Lila snuggled in an armchair by the fireplace, sipping milk, while Grandpa told her a story about a mischievous squirrel named Jasper who stole his peanut butter sandwich. Lila giggled at the thought of a talking squirrel, enjoying the moment. Later, in the attic, Lila found an old music box and wound it up, filling the room with a soft melody. Grandma explained it was hers when she was Lila's age, and Grandpa shared that she had danced to it at their wedding. Lila twirled, feeling the connection to her grandparents' past. As the sun set, the yellow school bus waited. Grandpa promised to tell her more about Jasper the squirrel next time. Lila hugged her grandparents goodbye, waved, already looking forward to her next visit, knowing her grandparents' love would stay with her always.